I hope you guys are good and you're great. Decided to try something a bit new right now and actually record in the sunset because the light was actually hitting all the right places. As you can see, I've already spit my hair and it's glistening in the sun. So I'll be using the Isoplus Hair Strong Gel, Holding Strong Gel, right? It's this blue, very thick consistency gel that helps you style your hair. I'll be doing an Afro Bun. I'll be doing an Afro tutorial for you guys on how to actually achieve it. I know I've done something similar before, but the difference about today's hairstyle is that it won't be that puffy long one. It's just going to be a short, cute one. So I had sectioned my hair into 4, split my hair, but now I'm untying it because I want to actually join all the 4 sections into one bun. Just make sure that you haven't actually wet your hair too much, because obviously you're going to put gel and you don't want it to separate, because if you put too much water, if your hair is too saturated with water or even like hair moisturizer, it may separate and it may start creating this white residue. So you don't want too much water, but you just want your water a bit hydrated, right? So I'm going to start at the back. I'm going to put a bit of strong holding gel. Oh my goodness. Strong holding gel at the back, and then I'm going to use this compact bristled brush. So it's one of those brushes where all the bristles are like very close to each other, so that my hair is a bit presentable and it looks really nice and cute. So you guys, this is your chance. If you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe, and then please like, share the link, and also comment down below, you guys. And if you do try this hairstyle out, and if you do a tutorial on it, please tag me. I want to see your guys' tricks so that I can actually have other tricks in hand as well. I like doing this bun when, for example, I'm tired of wearing wigs, but at the same time I want to look cute. You can even wear it in a formal setting. That's what I love about it. So as you can see, I've put the strong holding gel in the front. I've worked it in the front, and then I try to brush it out. Then guys, kukho lento kuthiwa yigusha, right? So amagusha, or like opaques, like ikausi, you can cut it to form what do you call this, like a string, so you can cut it and form like a stretchable string that can help tie your hair. So you should have to be very gentle with your hair on this, because your hairline may start really receding, of which mine kind of did. That's why I'm laying off it after this hairstyle, after I take it off, because if you do it too much, if you're not careful and you do it too much, or you tie it too tightly, what starts happening is that your hairline starts deteriorating, darlings. But it's a really cute style, but try and stay away from doing it all the time. It's bad. So as you can see, what I'm trying to do is I'm literally working the pantyhose string through my hair so that it's a bit tight and there are no bumps in my afro. And then I try and pull it back, try and pull it back, try and pull it back, until I get this, like, I don't know how to explain it. I get this like puffy bun made out of my hair. I know it's a bit skew, but we're gonna fix it. Don't worry about that. Now you can then start putting a bit more holding gel, a bit more, brush it out to try and make the hair that's tied into the bun flat, because that's the whole purpose of the sleek bun. So a sleek Afro bun, you want it to be sleek, so that's why you use that gel. You want it to be flat in your head. You don't want it to be puffy where you have actually tied it. The only puffiness should only exist where your hair is free and loose at the back. So that's the bun basically. But otherwise, all the other hair has to be sleek and literally down. I keep on putting my spectacles, guys, because I don't have my contact lenses on and I can't see. So I have to keep on looking at the camera to see if what I'm doing ain't rubbish. It ain't what it is, you know. So yeah. Now I'm going to take the extensions. So basically what I will be using, you can use normal straight fiber extensions. I am using like the dreadlocks, the Afro dreadlocks extensions. So I'm going to keep on taking like, let's say 2 pieces of it, and then I'm going to wrap it around my bun. So starting from the bottom, wrapping it around tight, but not too tight, tight so that it's not loose and it starts falling off. And then I keep on like adding it in my bun, adding it into my bun. Keep on tightening it, because as you can see at the top, it starts being a bit loose. When you're even creating a bun with your braids, some of them become a bit loose. So you have to keep on tucking them tightly so that they don't fall off. So basically that's what I'm trying to do, wrapping it around my actual hair so that I can create that illusion that it's a bit bigger and it's a bit more puffier and afro-y. So you could also just tie it a bit higher if you want to create that nice, cute, sleek illusion, high bun effect on your pictures. So now I'm going to put this duke so that it literally lays, honey, and it dries and lays and it doesn't move, right? So you guys, this is literally the final and the last process. It's better if you use like a sateen silk duke to lay it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please do share the link, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Yeah, so this is the final look. Obviously, it's going to be more laid than this tomorrow.